Urare utuko wa mwanya kuri arutani a thukuru cia muthingi na sekondari guku bururi-ini. Arutani aya aria marambire gwicanjamura na nyimbo marekinyetie mwena wa Bomas guku Nairobi kigomano-ini kiria kirathaganitio ni komiconi ya githomo TSC gia gutuga arutani magana matatu. Arutani aya ni aria mekite wega na gucagurwo ta ahotani a mwaka miena-ini itiganite ya githomo.
I feel so much happy, so much excited, and I really want to thank my employer for recognizing my effort.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa komiconi ino Nancy Macharia, komiconi ya kwandika Arutani ni cenjetie mitugire ya arutani amu hau kabere matirathaganagia igongona tariri.
We have been planning for this conference for a while now, and so we didn't reward our teachers who got the Poya, Toya, Zaitoya 2018 and now 2019, and so we decided that this would be the climax, that as we finish with the conference, then the climax would be rewarding our teachers who have done exemplarily well and have done outstanding in their schools.
Hamwe na arutani aria Maratugiirwo ni murutani munene wa thukuru wa airetu wa Pangani, murutani umwe wa cukuru wa Tomotomo, ungi kuma kaunti ya Kirinyaga uria wiriga kwanirirwo ta murutani uria mwega mathomo-ini ma ICT, hamwe na angi kuma cukuru-ini itiganite.
I cannot say it's my work alone. It is a work that is done in school that has brought this exemplary performance. So it's very encouraging, even a principal receiving an award after a very competitive journey all through.
Peter Tambichi Mokaya, murutani wa thukuru wa Kiriko kaunti ya Nakuru, uria watamburirwo ta murutani uria mwega muno thingima, akiuga ihinda ni kinyukio kia arutani gigatamburwo.
It's a high time that teachers are rewarded because they struggle, they do a lot to the children, and therefore getting this, it doesn't recognize me, but it recognizes what they are doing. And I'm very optimistic that we are really going to achieve a lot.
Amwe magitariria kiria gitumite matamburwo ta arutani aria ega a mwaka.
A document known as TPAD, you have to work on the TPAD well and make sure that it is the teachers are embracing it. The other document you have to work on well is the performance contract, the PC. Once you work very well on those two documents and the school is run based on those two documents, I don't see why you cannot be awarded the title Principal of the Year.
Amwe a arutani acio magana matatu matinekinya kigomano-ini giki ni itumitinganite makirirwo wira wao no guthi na mbere gutamburwo ni amandiki hamwe na kwambatirio ikiro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kimani.
Position 1.